And this is just crazy. Shout out to the 80 people we got in here. Make sure you hit the like button on the way in or on the way out, or you can hit the dislike button because, like my buddy Pedro say, it all works the same way. So look at this: access to large orders. If you have a catering bag, you will be, oh my god, oh my god, I cannot believe this. Did y'all see that? Look at this. Read that, y'all. Read that. Access to large orders. If you have a catering bag, you'll be eligible to be prioritized for catering orders, which can mean bigger tips. So y'all know what that means, right? I need to put myself on full screen for this, because this is major news. This is major fucking news, y'all. Everybody finna be in large order program. Everybody. They finna have old ass ladies. Do you know one time I went to Panda Express for a large order, and these awesome, amazing workers in Panda Express, they filled up my entire car with a whole hospital's worth of Panda Express order. Do you know it was $1,200 worth of Panda Express in my car? Like, this is real life. Like, I'm trying to tell you. They say if you have a catering bag, you will be eligible to be prioritized for catering orders. Huh? What? I'm about to do a catering bag giveaway on my channel every week until I ain't got no more catering bags left or Amazon run out. Stop playing with me. Catering bag order on the Dash and Trader channel every single week. We doing it. I'm about to buy a catering bag every single week and give it away, because all you need to do is have a bag. They tell you right here. They telling you right here. Look, all you need, look, I'm about to show you. Look, if you have a catering bag, you'll be eligible to be prioritized. So all you need is a catering bag and a high acceptance rate. You might as well go out and get that money, because look, Doordash is going downhill. And as soon as a couple bad dashers fuck up these catering orders and run off to the homeless shelter with it, or go up to their birthday party at the hotel, it's over. So you might as well get you some of that Doordash money while it's good. Get you a catering bag. I'm gonna be giving them away on my channel. You might as well go ahead and get that money, because look, I'm gonna tell you right now, one catering order per day, that'll change your whole life. Because look, when you out there running around getting all these small ass $3 and $4 orders, and then you get blessed with a catering order, I'm gonna tell you right now, that change your whole perspective on everything. Because look, if you didn't know, you know now. You are in the small order program, and they trying to make you feel good about doing it. But I'm here to let you know that shit ain't cool. But it is okay if the customers tip appropriately or the company pays appropriately. And we in a situation where neither one of them things is happening. So you got to have people like me out here confronting no tip customers, and you got to have people like Pedro trying to show you how to maximize, and you got to have people showing you how to multi-app, and you got to have people showing you how to segue out of the gig economy. It is what it is. I'm just living in reality. All I'm saying is, right now, they telling you that all you need is a motherfucking catering bag, and you can get you some money in your market right now. Because there's some cherry picking large order program dashers in your market right now that's about to wake up tomorrow, and they about to get them some fat catering orders while you running around doing $3 and $4, $7 orders. And that's cool. But Doordash say hell with them. They trying to make you some money, so you better get you a bag. Get you a bag. Like yesterday, I'd be on Amazon right now. If it was me, I'd be on Amazon right now. They got it like a $15 catering bag on there right now. The Doordash just set a picture for that any day of the week.